Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're looking at the Philips 3200 series espresso machine first, right? The silver EP3246/74 model. It's one of those fully automatic ones with the Latte Go system, promising 5 different coffee types.
And I've got the KitchenAid Fully Automatic Espresso Machine, the KES8558PL in porcelain white. Quite a different beast, visually. Let's see how they stack up.
Alright, let's dive in. First impressions? The Philips machine boasts you can make 5 different types of coffee with it, like espresso and cappuccino with just a touch of a button. Seems pretty straightforward.
The KitchenAid goes a bit further. It lets you create personalized drinks and has over 40 recipe options. Espresso, Americano, latte, cappuccino, you name it. You can even save your own custom recipes. I wonder what the tactual variety is like, beyond the marketing. Is it just different milk ratios?
Oh, that Latte Go system on the Philips is supposed to make really silky, smooth milk froth. It uses some kind of cyclonic frothing thing, blasting microbubbles at 394 meters per second apparently. Sounds intense.
KitchenAid has an automatic milk frothing and heating feature as well. It gives you the exact amount of milk you need, and it's a dual drink delivery system. Plus, you can use plant-based milk too, which is a big plus for some people.
That's cool about the plant-based milk. The Philips has these ceramic grinders, and you can adjust them in 12 steps, so you can get a really fine or coarse grind depending on what you want. They're claiming they'll last for 20,000 cups.
The KitchenAid also lets you adjust the grind, and the bean hopper is removable. That's a nice touch for easily switching between different beans. Also, the KitchenAid has a separate dispensing tube for hot water, so no coffee taste in your tea.
Philips is saying you can make up to 5,000 cups before you need to descale, thanks to their AquaClean filter. Though, it's worth noting this is a * renewed DAR Philips, so filter might not be included.
The KitchenAid has a Clean Me indicator. It tells you when it needs cleaning, and you can program the cleaning cycle for different water hardness levels. It also automatically cleans the milk hose.
Cleaning sounds easy on the Philips. The Latte Go milk system comes apart in just 2 parts, and you can wash it in like 15 seconds under the tap. Dishwasher safe too.
The KitchenAid seems pretty durable. It's got metal-clad construction and a 2-year warranty. It's also a beast, weighing in at over 40 pounds. The Philips is listed as 0.01 ounces, which I'm pretty sure is wrong.
Okay, both sound like solid options, but for very different users.
Do you realize the KitchenAid lets you store more personalized recipes than the Philips? If you're particular about your coffee and want to dial in taistiu how you like it, that might be a big deal. Plus, the KitchenAid has videos showing it in action.
Good point. And the Philips is currently unavailable, so that makes the decision easier for some. It really depends on what you're looking for in an espresso machine, doesn't it? Simplicity and easy cleaning versus customization and features. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.